Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix MS Teams error we've run into an issue. Copy URL from description and paste it. Find system type. Click accept and download. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.